Seeing tens of thousands of power outages across the region. This is a live look at an apartment complex in North Harris County where residents are still dealing with the aftermath of Wednesday's storms in the dark. According to Centerpoint and Entergy, more than 48,000 people in the Houston area do not have power right now. This morning, officials are reminding you not to run a generator inside your home if you are still without power.
It comes after one person was killed and 6 others hospitalized after being poisoned by carbon monoxide. This happened around 10:30 yesterday morning at an apartment just off West 43rd Street near Lang Road and the Northwest Freeway. HFD says they found a generator running inside the apartment. According to fire crews, 2 others inside that same unit needed CPR, and in a separate unit, 4 people were taken to a hospital for treatment.